Um, there was a letter, a strange letter that was delivered to these offices yesterday, and that letter purports to come from the Office of the Secretary General. The letter seeks to incriminate, implicate certain members of the MDC as well as leaders. It accuses them of planning acts of sabotage, trying to bomb the resident minister's house and railway lines, as well as the fuel depot in Masasa. That letter is not from the Secretary General of the MDC's office. It's not from my office for the following reasons. The first one is that it has two separate logos, different logos on it. MDC is one logo. It also describes the name of the party as MDC Alliance. The name of this party is MDC. It is not addressed to anyone, to anyone in particular, but it is copied to certain people. I don't write like that. It says it is written to whom it may concern. It is copied to the Commissioner General of Police, the Director General of CIO, the Commander of the Defense Forces. We can never address correspondence to no one. Here, what we do is we address correspondence to a particular office. It is also, as you shall see, unsigned. I always sign my letter. It describes me as Honorable Douglas Monzora. I don't call myself that. I call myself Douglas Monzora. I don't call myself Honorable Douglas Monzora. I'm Honorable Douglas Monzora to the constituents. But when I describe myself using first name terms. So this is an attempt by whoever to sow seeds of division within the MDC. Whether this person has done it internally or is external, or is operating from outside, this person is working for a system that we do not agree with. And I hope that my colleagues in the party, I hope that all the members, all the right-thinking members of the community must dismiss this letter as a mischievous attempt by whoever to score cheap political points. So for that reason, this letter, I have brought it to the attention of the leadership in the standing committee. I went with it to say there is a letter like this that was delivered strangely to my office yesterday. Unfortunately, the people to whom it was delivered did not record the name of the person who delivered it. It has a cell phone number that is not mine. So I don't know who this person is, but whoever they are, they will be unable to break A, my spirit as a Democrat, fighting for democracy. B, the spirit of the MDC, being a change agent in this country. It will not break that spirit. Thank you very much.